At the end of August, Huawei quietly launched its new Mate 60 and 60 Pro flagships, and it has done the same with the Mate X5. The successor to the Mate X3 released earlier this year, the X5 seems to be a slight refresh with mostly the same specs and design as its predecessor. The Mate X5 sports the same 6.4-inch external and 7.85-inch internal displays using 120Hz OLED panels, but gains Kunlun Glass for added protection. Under the hood, the brand does not disclose what chipset it uses, but it's rumored to be the same in-house Kirin 9000 SoC used in the Mate 60 Pro. This is paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and ITB of internal storage, along with storage expansion capabilities using the company's proprietary NM memory cards. On the photography side, the back of the Mate X5 has a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra zero wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens with OIS and 5x optical zoom. In the inner display, there is an 8MP selfie shooter. Powering the foldable is a slightly bigger 5060 mAh battery with support for 66W charging. Going on sale in China on September 15th, the pricing of the Mate X5 has still not been announced by the brand, but an eye-watering price tag is expected as the X3 already costs RM 888. As of writing, it is still unknown whether the foldable will be making its way here.